viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be taking you through how to enable the dark mode function in WhatsApp for Android. With that being said, I would advise the viewers back up their previous chats on WhatsApp to their Google account, because you are going to uninstall the current WhatsApp you are using and download and install the new version. I will be leaving two links in the video description. One is to enlighten you more about this new version, and the other is the download link to the new WhatsApp that supports the dark mode. Okay, after you back up your data, you can uninstall your previous WhatsApp. Then you visit the link in the video description to download the new WhatsApp, after which you install it. Then you open it and perform the same functions as I am going to do. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp you just installed. Okay, then you click on the three dots at the right top corner. Then you select settings. Then from the next interface, select chats. Then in the next page, select the first option, which is theme. Then you will be able to find an option that says dark. Simple click on it, then OK. As you can see, the dark mode has just been activated. You can go back and see how your WhatsApp looks. Okay, so this is how our WhatsApp looks now. Thank you very much for watching, viewers. This is how you can activate the dark mode in the new version of WhatsApp. Kindly watch the video and follow the steps to do just that. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.